Just be like, pause it. Hey,
What up?
these are our videos. This is like our first time recording ever.
Well, not for me, dude.
I'm Katie, but you can call me KK, and this is Kat.
Or you can call me Purr.
I get it.
Or Cece.
How's the weather? I don't know. It's pretty good. Oh, you dressed it. The word of the day is, what should it be?
Fantabulous. No.
We
sound like morons.
The word of the day is makeup. Makeup is so important today. You have no idea.
You know how many times we've worn makeup?
Well, this is like, we put on like a whole bunch of makeup today. See, from
our personal salon.
This box. It's pretty cool. And we sprayed stuff. It's a mystical object.
Oh.
Okay, start talking.
So, KK, what are we doing later?
Well,
Let's just tell them about us.
My favorite color is purple. I love black. And my new favorite movie is Iron Man 2. Iron Man 2. As soon as I see it, it's going to be my favorite.
What happens if it's really bad, KK?
I don't get pissed off. But my dad saw it, and he said it's awesome. So
An explosive.
yeah, he said it's hilarious.
So if you really want to see us up like taller, this is CC or KK. No, not KK. This is
I'm KK. That's Cat.
Or CC.
I think we should back up.
CC.
We are new. We're like, don't know what to do.
So if you have any suggestions,
just let us know. Comment on us, please. Tell your friends. What should we? Oh, I'm gonna comb her hair.
It's so magical.
Don't you have to push it back? Can you hear us? Oh my gosh, my arms look meaty. Don't push it back, woman.
See, KK's really mean.
I'm not mean. What, you smoking crack?
You are.
Well, I have a dog and cat, and my cat is evil. She likes to hurt people, and she's kind of living outside in our old doghouse. And my dog's bizarre. She loves attention, and she absolutely loves people.
Ooh.
And I have a special little guinea pig, and my other guinea pig just died. You can look it up on Facebook. It says RIP. His name is Scamper. I'm so sad. Shed a tear. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Tell us about yourself.
I used to have 4 dogs. Only one of them is still alive, Junior. And I hate cats because they're evil. Okay, KK, back to you. And my favorite color is blue. I go for blue. Blue is true.
Thinking. Lip gloss is feeling weird. It's kind of smudged.
Well, that's your fault, KK.
Wow, we've been recording for 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
12, 13.
Shut up. I'm joking. I'm joking. Anyways, we're bestest friends.
Forever, so stuff.
According to her, anyway.
Oh,
We are. Anyways, we're recording. Still. I feel really lame right now. We'll see ya later.
we might make it. So here's our
Okay,
theme song.
This is not our theme song. I don't want it to be.
I like it, okay? She's crazy, you guys.
Can they still hear us? Is it taping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's dance. Go back to the
Okay, if you guys want to guess how old we are, we'll answer.
Internet, I click you goodbye. How do I stop it? Oh, internet, I click you goodbye. Well, YouTube.
Bye.